Good inkjet paper. My method for choosing photo inkjet papers for my production stock is to use one challenging image. Now I use our own standard calibration image for this. I print this out on every paper available to me, and I make up a short list of say 3 or 4 favourites. Then I get these papers custom profiled, and then I use them as my basis for my photo printing paper choices that I would offer to my clients. Now, if you contact good photo inkjet paper suppliers, use their sample media packs. Now this is our sample media pack here. Now use their sample media packs to carry out your print test comparisons. Look for a good rich black, a clean white for your base paper colour. Observe the fully saturated primary colours and see if they smoothly lift off from 100% saturation into 1/2 and 1/4 tones, leading in to the paper base colour without fringing or an abrupt cut-off. So we're looking at this sort of area here. We want to see good saturation, and we want to see nice smooth graduations going to the colour of the paper. So we want to make sure that our paper responds correctly with our ink. Now, on a print for black and white, you would expect to see again a good rich black with an early lift off to expose shadow detail. We want nice smooth graduations up to the white of the paper, but we want to show good neutral tones through the entire density range with no evidence of tint or colour cast. So up here we've got an example of an extremely a good neutral, and we test in this area of the print. Any slight ink colouring would be taken up by custom printer profiling, but you don't want to see an overall colour cast from the paper in your monochrome, as that effect can't be taken out in software. Now look for differential of sheen, which is bronzing of course, which nowadays is unacceptable in an inkjet print. Observe how crisp and sharp the edges of your print are and how sharp the text is. Now this is a function of the quality of the paper coating. I remember my time spent in the Lyson ink laboratories many years ago. I was advised to carefully select our inkjet paper range based mainly on the efficiency of the paper coating to set off the inks correctly. I was given at the time a short list of German paper mills which use these efficient coatings, and Marrott have stayed with these choices right up to the present day. We're looking for a waterproof, durable, scratch-resistant print which lasts and lasts. The combination of good ink, correctly coated Pro Photo inkjet paper, an up-to-date calibration and good technique always outperforms a consumer quality print by a pretty wide margin. Get a free calibration print and quality JPEG for print testing by clicking the link below. If you're an existing Marrott customer, remember that you're entitled to regular free custom printer profiles. Contact us via email now for your simple custom printer profiling guide. Now, to look around our particular range, we don't have dozens and dozens of different types of paper. We simply use the best of a particular finish, and that's it. Now we like to divide our paper in our production papers, which is gloss, satin, pearl, and increasingly popular is our burrito paper, which we sell a lot of nowadays for production, high quality production. We have our canvas papers here, so our canvas is a glossy canvas and a matte canvas. We have our fine art papers, which is a smooth fine art and a standard fine art. Further along here, we have our double-sided papers. So we've got a photo gloss double-sided, we have a portfolio fine art, we have a smooth luster, and we have a gloss double-sided. All of these papers can be evaluated by simply applying for our sample media pack and doing the print testing as I've described. Now, we're quite unusual in the industry in that you can buy paper from us in every single preferred photographic size. So if you want 6x4s in bulk, you can have 5/7s, 10/8s, all the way up to huge sizes. We do roll paper. All the way across, we're able to provide the paper for you in exactly the right preferred photographic size. In addition to that, we do a free cut to size service. So let's say you want to buy a particular size paper, but you need a little bit less. So let's say you want a few hundred 10/8s. You'd simply buy a pack of A4 or as many A4s as you require, and you get us to cut them down exactly to your size, and we supply the paper to you nicely cut, dead accurate, and nicely labelled up in your preferred size.